Here they are manufacturing snacks.
So guys, Vivek is trying and it looks like he did not go for gym for workout. Here is the master of sweet, the king of sweet, halwa, and they are preparing it now. Let's go and see that.
They are using Gopram brand refined oil, first quality brand. This is
மாவு உள்ள போட்ட உடனே அது புளிய ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. They transferring the halwa from a kadai to small vessel so that they can bring down the heat. So hey, what's up guys? It's really nice meeting you after a long time. Hey, I am telling your dialogue and you are eating.
So hey, what's up guys? It's really nice meeting guys after a long time. Today we just came to Yasanpuram, that is in Tirthangal. Here they are manufacturing snacks.
Unit name is known as Gayatri Snacks and they are making their homemade snacks. It is directly delivered to the shops nearby. Quality of the snacks are very nice and they are manufacturing nearly 11 products here and they are all homemade products.
Actually now they are manufacturing like alwa, then mixture and also sev. In Tamil they say it as sev. It will be really superb and it's kind of different vlog today. So let's move on guys.
I think before going the masal kalle will be over.
Yeah.
So guys, now we arrived at their manufacturing unit. Now let's go inside and check it out. How is it? So hi sir. Place is very neat and wow, here you see 13 products. What are the products you are preparing?
சேவு சீவல் மிக்சரு அல்வா ஜீனி சேவு கற்பட்டி சேவு இந்த மாதிரி மொத்தம் 13 ப்ராடக்ட் நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Guys, let's see what are the 13 products they are manufacturing. I am eager to taste them all.
Here is the raw materials. They have raw materials like sugar and also like wheat powder and also some masala products.
Let's see the products they are having. First thing is Meladu Sevu. It is also known as pepper sevu. It is a very spicy one. And next is masal kadalai, groundnut with masala around. So it will be very nice. And then there is two types of sev. There are two types. One is sugar and another one is karpati. So you can see the difference between them. It is white and it is brown in color. This is what we called as Natu Sakkarai. This is a sweetener which is used in spite of sugar for sweetening purposes and it is also a healthy organic one. Next is Murukku Sev. It is very tasty one. This is my favorite. You can call it as Matta Sev. There are many names for it. The taste is very important, you know. The Achi Murukku. It is a flower shaped murukku and it is a sweet item. Here is the master of sweet, the king of sweet, halwa, and they are preparing it now. Let's go and see that. You can see this kuti cake or known as diamond cake. So it is my mother's favorite and also it is my favorite also. So guys, this is known as kara sev. This is a normal sev with little spicy. It will be a soft one for kids also. And there are two types of mixture they are having. One is the big one is normal mixture and this is a small one known as special mixture.
Guys, they have covered something. It seems like my friend Lingesh is sleeping there. They are having om podi here. They just cover the om podi with a big cloth because it will be free from insects and also within few minutes they will just go for packing also. So the product will be really fresh.
அந்த மாவை உள்ள போடுறாங்க. மாவை உள்ள போட்ட உடனே அது புளிய ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. வாவ். சூப்பர், அப்படியே பொறுபொறுன்னு வருது பாருங்க.
So guys, ஓம்படி ரெடி ஆயிருச்சு. இதுதான் வந்து மிக்சருக்கு வந்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ண போறாங்க. Here they are using cashew shells for heating the stove. The advantages is that you will get more time of heat. It will be really helpful for nature guys. Now they are going to do alwa. So the main ingredients are sugar, ghee, oil, cardamom powder and the final is jalika powder. Using this they will be cooking alwa. The cooking process time is nearly 75 minutes for alwa. The mixing is the main process here.
Now they are pouring ghee. நெய் ஊத்திட்டு இருக்காங்க இப்ப. First you see they add sugar and ghee alone and then it is mixed for next step in halwa. So you can see the stove is also burning under. Wow, the smell is very excellent. If you see they are adding special milk, it is not just a cow milk, it is a wheat milk. It is grained from samba wheat which is a high quality wheat and this milk should be added as a main ingredient so that only you can get a perfect halwa. So guys, Vivek is trying and it looks like he did not go for gym for workout. Who is going to win? Alva or Vivek?
Halwa.
So Vivek lost. அவனால முடியல விட்டுட்டேன். You can see the color of the milk is now changing. The process is continuing. இந்த அல்வா கின்றதுல வந்து அப்படியே பபிள் பபிளா வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா கட்டி ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு, இறுகிட்டு இருக்கு.
Brother, what kind of oil you are using?
கோபுரம் in refined oil, sir.
கூட்டு போய் காமிக்கிறாங்க. கோபுரம். Okay. They are using Gopuram brand refined oil. First quality brand this is. Guys, 98% of halwa manufacturing is over now. From white it has changed to brown using the heat. They didn't add any colorant here. If you see, they have been mixing the halwa for nearly 1 hour. If they keep on mixing only, they get that perfection.
They transferring the halwa from a kadai to small vessel so that they can bring down the heat. Then only they can pack it. We just asked for a small amount of halwa for taste, but they taken it from the direct stove. So let's see how Vivek tastes it.
Super இருக்கு. It tastes really good, guys. It's really superb.
Sweetness is awesome.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had really a good experience here.
They are making the sweets and snacks, and also they deliver in wholesale and retail, and also for function purposes.
For function purposes also, they are giving according to your requirements like 100 gram packing and also like 200 gram packings.
Even 50 grams packing also it is done by them. Their contact numbers will be given in the description and also in the video below.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys really like this video, just share this video.
And also don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Let's see you next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.